Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to go on an adventure through time to explore the fascinating story of crochet. Get ready to discover how this simple craft has become a global sensation, inspiring people for centuries. The exact origins of crochet are a bit of a mystery. Some say it came from Arabia and spread through trade routes, while others think it started in ancient Chinese needlework, even with South America tribes. In the 19th century, a French-Irish woman named Eleanor made a big splash in the crochet world. She's known as the mother of crochet because she wrote and published the first ever crochet pattern book when she was just only 18 years old. Her book helped make crochet accessible to everyone, not just experts. Crochet quickly became a popular craft in Europe, especially for shepherds who used it to make things like clothing and household items while they were watching their sheep. It was often called shepherd's knitting back then. As machines made fabric more affordable, crochet transformed from a necessity to a way to express creativity. Women in particular loved crochet, from embellishing their clothes to making delicate lace. During World War II, crochet became a symbol of hope and resourcefulness. Women on the home front created craft items for soldiers like scarves, blankets, even comfort dolls. Crochet also provided a way for people to deal with the hardships of war. Today, crochet is still a beloved craft enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. It's so versatile that you can make anything from delicate doilies to cozy afghans, trendy fashion accessories, even home decor pieces. Crochet has even found its way into art, fashion design, and social activism. Crochetivism. Crochet enduring appeals lies in its simplicity, accessibility, and limitlessness creative possibilities. With just a hook and some yarn, anyone could create something beautiful and meaningful. Crochet has also fostered a sense of community connection among crafters worldwide, passing down traditions and techniques from generation to generation. So grab your hook and some yarn and enjoy the world of crochet.